Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here at the Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Today's video is just on a little lake test run on store number 134. It's a 1996 Johnson 15 horsepower for Phil. Don't normally do motors this new, but I worked on this one just as a challenge, and it was a challenge. It was a challenge. I had a carburetor issue with it I've never had before. It would run good, but it was leaking gas out of the bowl and running like it was choked all the time. And that's whenever it's leaking gas out of the bowl, that's a sure sign that the float is not seating well. And sure enough, I took the carburetor apart, and the plastic rod wasn't inserted properly when I rebuilt the carburetor. So I took care of that. And I've had a bunch of other issues with it too. The coils were bad. Stop switch isn't working properly. It works, but it doesn't work with the lanyard in it. So I just decided it's a full restore. I'm gonna take it apart and paint it and decal it. But I just decided that I'd take her out for a good run to make sure before I put that extra work in there in her. She is a sweet motor now. Pushes my 14-foot feathercraft about 20 miles an hour. As fast as I want to go. So let's give her a little run, see how she starts. Got to make sure it's in neutral. Idles down all the way, just the way it's supposed to. Kick her in gear, no hesitation. Take her out on this beautiful day here on Toledo Bend Lake. See what she'll do. Faster than I want to go. Sweet, sweet, beautiful day in May here on Toledo Bend Lake. Well, I hope you all enjoyed it. I know I did. I'm going to take her on in. And just remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. Phil, I'm going to take her apart, paint her, and decal her. She'll be ready in a week or two. Here we go. Well, thanks for watching the video. I'd like to take this time to share with you some of the offerings that I have here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. The first thing is my eBay store. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store, almost anything you need for your vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s and 60s, 20 horsepower and less. Have the link to my eBay store and all of these services down below in the description. Second thing is technical consulting. I offer technical consulting to help with your outboards, $40 an hour. Just buy one of these and you get an hour's worth of consulting. If it's 5 or 10 minutes of a question or two and you want to call me, it's free. Just call me. My phone number is 337-278-5429. I answer my phone all the time. All right. Next thing I do is I started selling kits for your motors. I have a master tune-up kit for doing your ignition magnetos. I have the coils, points and condensers, spark plug wire, spark plugs, and I also sell all of these parts individually. All right. Next thing I started offering now is fuel pump conversion kits, the FPCs, to upgrade from a dual line to a single line. Offer a kit for the 7.5s, for the 10 horsepowers, and for the 15 and 18 horsepowers. All right. The next thing I do is I service, repair, and restore. I've done over 130 full restores. I do a light restore for $950. I do a full restore for $1250. and I do service and repair work for $40 an hour plus parts. All right. And also I have T-Mic caps and mouse pads for sale. All right. Join the T-Mic club and buy you some of these. So the links for all this are down below. And also I have over 280 videos now on everything you need to know. If you come up with something that you find I don't have a video for, just hit me up on this channel or on my phone number, and I'll try to do it for you. Thanks so much. And remember, always remember, and never forget, we're doing it one motor at a time.